Here you will find drivers or software of every Ajazz keyboard, mouse, headphone and kit. Everyone, before clicking the link from description or pinned comment, you gotta know that it's a Chinese website. You'll have some difficulties. So let's solve them along the way. From the two links, we'll go with the first link. It will take us to the download center. Here it's sorted as keyboard, mouse, headset, kit, old to new, and future drivers will be added too. It's completely random that I own this product, AK873, but you have to search for your one. Look for sensor, RGB style, connectivity. Make sure you are getting the exact driver or it won't really work. Now we'll click the download arrow and see a pop-up saying this site isn't using secure connection, but we will completely ignore it and click download insecure file. It will download and at the last byte it will say dangerous download blocked. Nothing can be done from here, so we'll head back to download section and click keep dangerous file. Let's extract the compressed file. Then start to install. Select English or Chinese. Next, open immediately after installation. Next, installing. Successfully installed. Device not detected. No! Basically, for the first time, some device need to connect with a USB cable. Connecting with cable, boom, right into software. You can see your light, button, macro, other, profile change, everything. Everybody, if it works for you, leave a feedback and